Hi, I'm Cameron Haney with Makita Power Tools. We're here at Acme Tools in Duluth, Minnesota. I want to go over our new 14-inch power cutter today, the GEC-01. This saw is available in a bare tool, a kit with 2 batteries, or a kit with 4 batteries. So it is an 80-volt tool, so it's running off of 2 of our 40-volt XGT 8-amp-hour batteries. Some of the features on this tool: we have an LED light at the blade. We have integrated wheels for cutting on the ground, electric brake. You have your water attachment as well, so it is Table 1 OSHA compliant. In terms of the runtime on it, we're getting about 40 feet of cutting in 2 inches of concrete. Some of the features: indoor use is big for this tool. You're gonna have no fumes at all, so great for any basement work or anything like that. We got Heath from Acme Tools in Duluth here, and he's gonna walk you through a demo. Perfect. Thank you, Heath. If you have any questions, make sure you contact your local Acme store or acmetools.com, and don't forget to do your best work.